Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the subtle sensations of contact where your body meets the chair or the floor. And you can allow your awareness to soften, to expand, to include the simple rhythm of your own breathing, in and out. There's nothing you need to do right now, nothing to fix or change. You can simply be here, in this moment, exactly as you are, and as you listen to the sound of my voice, you can notice how your body knows instinctively how to relax, how to release, how to let go of any tension you've been carrying, simply by focusing on the gentle flow of your breath, in and out. And you caned it, and it's interesting, isn't it? How the mind can be so busy, and yet the body is always here, present, breathing, and you can begin to appreciate that this simple, constant rhythm of life within you, a rhythm that has been with you since your very first breath, and will be with you always, a faithful, steady companion. And as you appreciate this, you might feel a subtle shift, a gentle softening around the edges of your thoughts, allowing them to come and to go, like clouds passing through a vast, peaceful sky. And you are safe here. You are held. And you can allow yourself to go deeper into this state of receptive calm with every exhale, releasing a little more. And with every inhale, drawing in a sense of peace, of quiet. Perhaps you can recall a moment, just one simple moment where you felt a flicker of genuine appreciation. It doesn't have to be a grand moment. It could be as simple as the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the taste of cool water, the sound of a loved one's laughter, or the comfort of your own bed at the end of a long day. And as you recall that moment now, you can allow the memory to become vivid, not just a picture in your mind, but a full experience. Notice what you saw in that moment. The colors, the light, the shapes. Notice any sounds that were present, the textures, and most importantly, begin to reconnect with the feeling that was present in that moment. That seed of appreciation, that gentle warmth of gratitude. And as you reconnect with that feeling, you can allow it to grow, to amplify right here, right now, with your next breath. Breathe that feeling in. Draw it from the memory and directly into your heart center. Feel it as a soft, glowing warmth, a light that begins in your chest and wants to spread. Breathe in the feeling, and as you exhale, you can send that warmth, that light, flowing gently through your entire body, down your arms. So, as you feel this warmth glowing strongly now, you can gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. You can gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand and send a private signal to your nervous system that says this state, this feeling of grateful joy is available now. And as you hold this gentle pressure, you can send a wave of gratitude to your own heart for its capacity to feel so deeply. And now we will deepen this state and plant the affirmations directly into the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, where they can take root and grow naturally, effortlessly, transforming your perception from the inside out. I am a magnet for moments of beauty and grace. They find me throughout my day, in the ordinary and the extraordinary. I notice the delicate pattern of frost on a window, the sincere smile from a stranger, the perfect timing of a green light. My awareness is tuned to the frequency of appreciation, and so beauty reveals itself to me constantly, effortlessly. With every breath I take, I am breathing in thankfulness and breathing out joy. My lungs fill with the pristine gift of air. My heart circulates the miracle of life, and my mind settles into the profound peace of knowing I am supported by an entire universe of intricate, loving detail. Joy flows through my veins like a golden elixir. It is not dependent on external circumstances, but is an internal spring, welling up from a source deep within my soul. I feel it as a fizzy, light energy in my chest, a readiness to smile, a willingness to be delighted. This joyful energy is my birthright and my constant companion. I appreciate the incredible intelligence of my body, the heart that beats without my command, the wounds that heal, the eyes that translate light into vision, the taste buds that unlock flavor. I send waves of thankful love to every organ, every cell, every strand of DNA that conspires to create the miracle of my physical being. I am in awe of this vessel that carries me through life. My past, with all its twists and turns, has perfectly prepared me for this present moment. I am grateful for every experience, for the joys that lifted me and the sorrows that deepened me, for the loves that expanded my heart and the losses that taught me resilience. My history is not a chain, it is a rich tapestry, and I honor every thread, for together they have woven the strong, compassionate, and wise person I am today. I live in a constant state of receiving. The universe is endlessly generous, and I am open to its abundance. I receive ideas with a curious mind. I receive help with an open hand. I receive love with a tender heart, and I receive moments of peace with a grateful spirit. My openness is a doorway, and through it flows the infinite goodness of life. I find profound joy in the success and happiness of others. Their laughter is my music. Their achievements are my inspiration. Their love story. Even in stillness, I am filled with a vibrant, quiet joy. The joy of existence itself. The joy of consciousness witnessing this incredible reality. I can sit and feel the joy of the air on my skin, the joy of a silent mind, the joy of simply being. This is the deepest joy, unshakable and eternal, and I can access it anytime I choose to become still and listen. In K, gratitude transforms my perception of time. I am no longer rushing toward a future goal or clinging to a past memory. I am deeply, completely present, and in this present moment, I always find something to cherish. The now is where life happens, and the now is where I discover my endless reasons to be thankful. My capacity for joy is limitless. It grows stronger every day, like a muscle that is exercised with appreciation. What brings me a flicker of happiness today will bring me a wave tomorrow, and what brings me a wave will one day bring me an ocean. I am committed to this expansion. I choose to focus on what lifts me, and in doing so, I train my brain for sustained, resilient happiness. I am thankful for the unseen forces that guide and protect me, for intuition that whispers, for synchronicity that aligns, for a grace that catches me when I stumble. I trust this benevolent support. My heart is a garden. And every thought of gratitude is a seed I plant. Every feeling of joy is the sunlight that helps it grow. I tend this garden daily, weeding out lack and watering with appreciation. And so, my inner landscape becomes more and more beautiful, more fertile, more abundant with each passing day. This garden is my true home, a home filled with peace, beauty, and everlasting thankfulness. Heart, and now, as these affirmations resonate within every cell of your being, you can gently re-squeeze that anchor, your thumb and forefinger together. Dot this now, and feel how that original feeling of grateful warmth has expanded, has deepened, has become richer and more integrated. It is no longer just a memory. It is a living, breathing part of your neurology, a state you have claimed and anchored as your own. This feeling, this anchored state of grateful joy is your true nature, and it is always available to you in a traffic jam, in a stressful meeting, in a quiet moment alone. A gentle press of your fingers, a deep breath, and a conscious thought of thank you will reconnect you to this ocean of well-being that resides within you. Now, begin to gently bring your awareness back to the room, back to the sensation of your body resting, back to the rhythm of your breath, knowing that you carry this anchored peace and joy with you. It is not left behind. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.